Hello and welcome to another Roblox development tutorial. Today we're going to be making a building block placement system. As always, this is a beginner tutorial, so I'll try and explain all my steps as I go along. If you do like this and you do want an advanced tutorial where we can make the system a lot better, then I'll make an advanced tutorial in the future. If you have any problems with anything in this video or need any support with anything, join the Discord and the link in the description. Right, so let's get started. First things first, open your Roblox Studio project. Double check you can see the Explorer and the Properties panel here on the right hand side. If you can't see that, just enable it at the top. Create a part in Workspace, anchor it, set its size to 4x4x4. We're going to texture and color it. This one's going to be wood. Name your part. I'm going to create a few more here, but you don't have to do this. Create a folder in replicated storage. Name this folder blocks. Move all of your blocks from Workspace into that folder. Create a module in replicated storage. Name it grid module. Here we're going to reference the blocks folder from replicated storage. We're going to create a function to help us snap the part to the grid. We're then going to create a place function. This system's nice because it means that you can add more blocks in the future. Add a tool into starter pack, name it the block name. Place the block model inside of the tool. Rename it to handle. Unanchor the block and set its size to 2x2x2. Create a local script inside of the tool. Here we just need a couple of services and constants. Then we're going to reference the module we just created. And then we're just going to use the place block function we just created. So if we go to the game now, we can see that it works as intended. I can also swap between the different block types. Like I say, if you do have any problems with this system so far, or you do want to support the channel, if you join the Discord and the link in the description, I'll be happy to help in there. Thank you for watching, I'll see you later.